Here I've got Stanley S241 and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select display, which is under device, and then go to the wallpaper. So the third option, and now you have to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be something from your gallery, live wallpaper, photos, or something from the device wallpapers, and I will pick the last option. And now simply select the picture that you would like to cover your screen with. So here are the options. I will pick this one and now click on Set Wallpaper. And that's it. Let's go back to the home screen. As you can see, you've just changed the wallpaper on your device in your Stanley. So that will be all. Congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.